Today we're making a delicious chocolate trifle. Bake a pan of brownies from a box brownie mix. Let those cool completely and then cut into 1-inch squares, or you can just buy pre-made brownies at your local grocery store, which actually makes this whole process much easier. Just whatever you prefer. If you do buy a box of brownie mix, just follow those directions. This is one of the easiest desserts ever, especially if you buy the pre-made brownies. Then there's really not a whole lot of work to it at all. So after you get the brownies in the oven and bake according to the instructions on the box, then we're going to go ahead and get started on the pudding mixture. Make sure you already have your containers of Cool Whip thawing to room temperature. In a large bowl, combine 1/2 cup of water and 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, along with the 3.9-ounce pack of instant chocolate pudding mix. Mix that well until completely smooth. You can do that by hand or with a hand mixer. And then you're going to fold in 1 8-ounce container of thawed whipped topping until completely blended. You can assemble all of this in a large bowl or individual serving cups as I'm doing. I'll start by putting in pieces of the brownie, then the pudding mixture as a second layer. For the third layer, I'll put in the whipped topping, and then another layer of the brownie pieces. And then I'm going to put on another layer of the pudding mixture and one more layer of the whipped topping. I'll finish that off by sprinkling some pieces of a Butterfinger candy bar. You can use any candy you prefer, chocolate chips, shaved chocolate, or whatever you desire. For best results, refrigerate this for a couple of hours before serving. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.